today we're gonna bring a light, and this is actually a closet light. It's perfect to put in places that you don't have any light or you don't have any power for light. Now it does come with a remote control, and the remote control is easy to use. You can change the timer, the lighting settings, and the lumens. All right. Now on the system itself, there's a couple features. There's an off button, night mode, daylight mode, and then the sensor, of course. And then you could change the lighting on here and the RGB lighting. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you, because there's two lights in here. All right, there's one main light here and one right underneath of it. All right, the RGB lighting. Now that's why the remote control has many features. Now let's turn it on so you guys can see it. Now remotely, easy. You could turn it on. You could set up the modes if you want. You could turn it off. You could turn it back on. And then if you want to change the RGB lighting that's in the bottom of it, you could change it to different modes, or you could change the solid modes if you want, optional. So we are going to put this in a closet, and we're going to see how it looks. All right. So
today we have this LED light. These are great for those dark areas where you want light. Sometimes in the early mornings, you don't want to wake up the family, so you want to get your stuff. This is great because you open it and you're able to choose what it is that you need to get out. It's rechargeable, as well as a remote control that comes with it, so that you can turn it off either manually or with the remote control. It's also motion censored, so that it'll be off when you get to it, but once you open the door, it'll automatically turn on. And then when you're done using it, you can just close it and it will be turning off on its own once the motion is gone. You ready to go out, buddy? Let's go. It's time to go for your walk.